Welcome to BTEC Revision. In today's lesson, we're looking at mechanical advantage. By the end, we should be able to calculate the mechanical advantage of systems. Mechanical advantage is the ratio between the output force and the input force. The output force could also be known as the load, and the input force could also be known as the effort. In order to calculate this, we can use the equation mechanical advantage equals load divided by effort. And the short form is MA, which stands for mechanical advantage. MA equals FL, which is the load, divided by FE, which is the effort. The units are going to be newtons for load and newtons for effort. And when we divide these two, we don't get a unit for mechanical advantage. So there is no unit for mechanical advantage. Now let's try this question. A lever has an effort arm and a load arm. If an effort force of 100 newtons is applied to the lever and the load being lifted is 300 newtons, what is the mechanical advantage of the lever? You can start by writing down the equation mechanical advantage equals the load divided by the effort. And the load is 300 newtons. And the effort is 100 newtons. So that's going to give us a value of 3 for the mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage helps us to lift heavier objects using a smaller force. Examples of where we use mechanical advantage are in planes and pulleys. Now pause the video here and attempt this exam question. A person is trying to lift a heavy object weighing 600 newtons using a lever. If that person applies a force of 200 newtons to the lever, what is the mechanical advantage? So the first thing we should do is write down the equation. Mechanical advantage equals the load divided by the effort. And here we need to see which one is the load and which one is the effort. So the load, what are we trying to lift? A heavy object weighing 600 newtons. So that's going to be the load. That's the FL. And effort is what the person is going to apply, how much force he's going to apply, which is 200 newtons. So we can plug these values in. 600 divided by 200 newtons, which gives us a value of 3. And that's the end of the lesson. If you would like to boost your grades, try the quiz questions at btechrevision.com, where there are a lot more resources available. See you next lesson.